Hey everyone! Today we'll be looking at how to make a clipping mask in Adobe Illustrator. I've done this in Canva before, so you can check out the video by clicking this link. Okay, let's start by creating a new project. You can do a custom and just put in your width and your height, check your orientation, your color mode and everything. Once you're satisfied, you can just click create. I have already created my one, so I will just click on the cross arrow over here. Okay, so this is my artboard, and you can see that I have a image file and a cat silhouette. Okay, the cat silhouette is like a vector art, so you can see inside it has a lot of parts and compound parts, and the image is just an image. It's just a file, so I'm just going to rename the vector art to cat vector art, and so that we don't get confused. So just two elements, one is the mask and one is the art. So let's get started. We're going to place the image onto the artboard. You can resize, do whatever you want first, then put the vector art on top of the image, so that it will be very neatly cut out into the cat shape. Okay, I'm going to just resize because I want the MEOW to show up in the cat a bit more, otherwise it will just be that purple background. So let me just resize this. This is completely redundant. If you want to do only, you do, otherwise just skip it. So you're going to select everything and just check that all the dots are highlighted in red over there, and now you can go to object, or you can just simply right click on this and you will see a make clipping mask. Just click on it. Okay, we're just going to undo what we did just now. It could be that there were a few parts in the vector graph. Let me take a look. Okay, we'll just click on one of the parts and see if we get rid of it, if it makes any difference. Okay, it doesn't make any difference, so we're going to get rid of all the path and just keep that compound path, which is the complete element. So we'll just get rid of there are about 5 parts down here. We can just get rid of them. Just click on the circle and then hit delete button. It will just go away. Okay, so our vector art is not disturbed, so we'll do what we did earlier. We're just going to select everything, make sure that all the circles are ticked, and then we're going to make the clipping mask. Right click and make clipping mask. See, ta-da! It's now a beautiful picture. It's a cat silhouette which has a graphic attached to it, and it's in a perfect cat shape. So yeah, that's about it. It's an easier method than when we were using Canva. Just 1 or 2 steps you need to do, otherwise it's all simple. Try it out and let me know. Bye.